The front door lock switch on the Cayenne can easily be replaced. You just need to remove the front door panel first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the door panel removed, place it down on something clean and soft to protect it. You can replace the switch without removing the insulation. You are going to use a small flathead screwdriver to release the clips on both sides, but first separate the wiring connection. Use a small pick to press down on the release tab and pull the connections apart, red arrow. Now use a small flathead screwdriver to push in and release the tabs, red arrows, and push the switch out through the front of the panel. Clean the area around the switch before reinstalling your new one. Installation is the reverse of removal. It will just clip into place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.